Okay, how is this? Testing. I mean, I'm not gonna show you my table because okay, I will. Oh no, you saw my meds. I'm sorry, I'm throwing it away. I'm fuck. Okay, I think this looks pretty cool. This looks pretty cool. The table needs to get tidied up, but aside from that, I think I can use both of my hands and look at it at the same time, which is fucking phenomenal for my group. Of course, I'm not putting it on anywhere else because that would be embarrassing. Also, it has a pouch. Okay, let's not waste any more time and open this and see what it's got. Yeah, I wish it did not have this because it's so fucking ugly. Fuck that. Ooh, where's my opity? Just let music burn. What did they do to opity and rhymes? Music and rhymes and let music burn, opity. Never give up, music and rhymes. What the fuck happened to that? Come on, man. That is so disappointing. Okay, I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Forget the knife, I don't have anything better to do it with. Ooh. I'm kind of excited. Where is my old Blon? Oh shit. Okay. You guys saw my bald head, didn't you? Oh, fuck. I need to put some cap on. That is so, but oh my god. This is so beautiful. Can you guys look at it? And it has this, let me find the old one just so I can compare instantly. Where is my balloons? Where is it? Oh, there they are. Look what you've done. Look at it. Okay, I kind of, these are slightly smaller, you know? Also, just a tiny bit heavier too, which is strange. What I love the most though is this, that it is, what do you call it? My English sucks. Also the nozzle. Look at the nozzle. Pretty good, huh? Well, let's see what else is in the box. Have they tried to improve that? I'm actually excited for the cable though, because it's been a while since Z300 had. Oh, nice. I deliberately, intentionally ordered the Type-C one. I wanted to see how Blon does DSP, and of course, since I can always swap the cable to 3.5 or something else, so I don't see any point in buying the 3.5 cable. I would love to check the mic though. Oh, it also has. How do I focus? It also has. Come on, fuck. How do I focus on this? Yeah. It also has plus and minus. The mic grill looks big. Pretty big. Oh, this is the mic grill, I think. And yeah, here's the flushed connector that we all want to see in pretty much all IMs. I hate the recessed ones too. They suck. And then you have the burlap sack. Yeah, I fucking struggle with S. I don't know how to pronounce them properly. Well, that's pretty much it, I guess. The ear tips. Oh, they have extra ear tips now. Cool. Well, there. I hope this is good. Very good. Okay, I just got done with my first impression. It's a very long and boring video, but these are the things that I've noted. I have not compared it to the OG Blondes yet, but I'm gonna say this, that this is easily an improvement in technicalities. The bass is tight, very tight. It is centered. It is not fluffy like the old one, or boomy. It was boomy. This one was pretty boomy, to be honest. The stock tips are still ass. The fit is still ass. There's not much you can do about this. If you can find one of those double flange ear tips, you might have a better chance at keeping these in ears for long. Or else, I don't know, man. Not the best design ever. Okay, what should I talk about first? So the bass has definitely come down in quantity. It's not as prominent as before. I checked the graphs. The mids are clean. Because of that, they sound pristine. They are not muffled or suppressed under all the mid bass, which is a good thing. What else did I yeah, it sounded cold in a good way. It has a lot of a sparkle. The stays is a definite improvement. It's wide. It's also very deep, which is surprising. This one is not very deep. It's wide, yeah. It has average width, but it's not deep. You cannot hear things behind you from certain songs. Like there's a song by Amber Rubat called Tundra that I used to check how good the imaging and instrument placement is, and this one passes the test. It definitely sounds much better than most 2000 rupees IMs that's available in the market. I still won't compete with 700 though. I mean, those are legendary. The timbre, since it has a CNT driver, I think it uses the same driver as BL-05S. If I'm correct, the third gen CNT driver from Blon's, and I guess this one sounds more detailed for some reason. Even though it uses the same drivers, it sounds more like BL-05 instead of BL-05S, which is a good thing. The bass is very tight and textured, unlike the old one. I already said that. Airy, spacious, instruments are well separated. Now, do I like it? I will have to give it some more listen to finally come to a verdict, but so far I am very impressed. It is exceptionally beautiful sounding, and I don't think if it's your first IM you're going to be disappointed. And if you've been using Blondes, it's hard to say if you're gonna love it or hate it, but you will definitely respect it. That's it.